Here are 3 brand images that you should be capturing while either on vacation or celebrating the upcoming holiday season. Recharge and relax. Show how you're getting inspired, you're getting rest, you're ready to go when you return back to the business. Your why. You may be with your why on vacation or celebrating a holiday, family, friends, pets. This is a great opportunity to capture some shots. Simple joys. This is a fun one. Capture the food you love, destinations that you love, activities that you love. Such engaging content here. Go beyond the photo, post reels, post videos, do a carousel of photos and videos, get creative, have fun, and most of all, enjoy your vacation.